Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show us how to make the airplane mode icon. Yes, the airplane mode icon on our iOS device. So today we'll be using the rectangle, right, and the pencil and some other tools on Figma to actually like recreate this particular icon. So the purpose of this particular video, this tutorial is for us to actually, especially junior designers, right, who are interested in actually learning how to like create different kind of iconography and different kind of design assets, especially 2D really 2D related assets. Yes, so yes, let's get started. Let me just rename this to airplane. Always go to name your layers properly. Airplane, right? So yes, let me just duplicate this and yes, so yes, I'm going to get a rectangle. I'm going to just draw. So it might not necessarily be as accurate as what I have here. I just want to like show you the technique I use so you can actually be able to understand how these tools in Figma work, how they work in and out. So I'm just going to break it down to like say, let's say six. Okay, and then next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate it. So this time I'm trying to like create a tail of the airplane. Alright, I'm holding down option so that I can actually scale in both directions. So I'm going to like tap enter to activate the object mode so I can add some nodes and do some little manipulations. So I'm going to add a node at this particular point here, tap escape, and then add another one here, escape. So then I'm going to like tap V on my keyboard to actually activate the selection tool, and then I'm going to like move it this way. Just make and select this particular node, this four nodes here, so I can actually adjust them. So you can do run shift for a more accurate line. Okay, cool. And I think I need to adjust this a little bit. So just make some couple of adjustments. Basically, right, it's just for you to have fun and don't just overthink things. Illustration is like digital illustration is a form of art for me. So now it's time to create the wings. So I can just duplicate this rectangle or just like create another one. Just create another one from scratch. Depends on your state of flow. So I could just take this a little bit upward, um, tap enter, drag this particular node in this direction, select both of the nodes, and then just drag you hold shift and tap on the directions, or you could just drag. You just drag with your mouse. Then just make some couple of adjustments. So if you're happy with that, you can duplicate and then shift V to actually like invert the direction of what you've duplicated. So now it's time to like create the heads. The way we're going to go about is like we have to create some nodes. So tap enter on this particular rectangle and add some nodes to it so you can manipulate it. So I'm going to create some extra node or tap P to actually activate the pen. So I'm going to like select some node at this particular point, tap escape, and then some other extra ones. I'm going to select the upper one and then take it a little bit upward and like this. And then take this one a little bit forward. And then the next thing is just for me to like just give it some roundness. Okay, before giving it a roundness, right, I have to like take this guy a little bit backward. So I'm going to like tap enter again and then just move this a little bit backward. And then I could just adjust the tail so that it should be slimmer. Or you could just adjust it manually, make it half a pixel. So depend on like what you feel about like the kind of results you want to like get when actually making this particular iconography, right? Just after you've done your sketches, we just go with the flow and just keep trying things out. So now I'm going to like tap enter. Sorry, I'm going to select this particular note at the top. Then I'm going to add some roundness to it. And could add some way extra roundness to this particular portion. And then you could adjust it. And there we have it. So there you have it, the airplay mode icon. So it's just basically an airplay icon from our iOS device. So so you can just scale it and then just add it as part of your icon sets. So if you find this tutorial useful or helpful, right, please like, share, and subscribe, and please make sure you tell your friends that designers that are actually new to design, so they can actually learn from these simple tutorials on iconography. Thank you very much. I remain Dario. Stay blessed.